Today we are delving deep into the world of WhatsApp, focusing on two game-changing features, sharing high-definition images and elevating your photo and video messages with creative edits. Stick around to become a WhatsApp Pro. WhatsApp is a staple in our digital lives for instant communication. But did you know it's also incredibly powerful for sharing and personalizing media? Let's start with the newest addition, sending photos in HD. Open WhatsApp and pick a chat. Tap the attachment icon, then your photo. Now see the HD icon at the top? Tap that for high quality and send. This feature, rolled out for all users, ensures your memories are shared just as vividly as they are lived. Why HD, you ask? HD images are crisper and more detailed. Perfect for those breathtaking views or special moments you want to keep intact. But remember, higher quality means more data usage, so use wisely, especially on mobile data. Moving on to personalization. WhatsApp's editing suite is your playground. Let's explore it step by step, starting with the basics. In your chat, tap the camera. Here, capture a new moment or select a precious one. The editing screen is where the magic happens. First, cropping and rotating. This tool is straightforward yet powerful, allowing you to focus on the heart of your image. Next, the smiley face icon unleashes a world of stickers and emojis, adding layers of emotion or fun to your messages. For those who love to annotate, the T icon lets you overlay text. Change colors to match your mood or message. The pen tool transforms your finger into a brush, letting you doodle or write with flair. Made a mistake? No worries. The undo button is there to keep your edits on track. Swipe up for filters, changing the vibe of your photo with just a tap. Don't skip the caption. It's your space to add context or a personal message. Your edited photo is not just an image, it's a story waiting to be shared. Experiment with these tools to discover your unique style. WhatsApp isn't just for chatting, it's a canvas for your creativity. You are now equipped to share HD images and personalize your content on WhatsApp like never before. Impress your friends with your new skills and watch how your conversations come to life. Thank you for joining us on this journey through WhatsApp's features. Subscribe for more insightful guides. Hit like if you learned something new today and share your thoughts or questions in the comments below. What feature should we explore next? Stay tuned and see you in our next video.